Hello friend, I am your Excel Guru. Today I brought an interesting and useful video for you. In this video, we will learn how we can hide zero value in our Excel sheet. So first, I'm taking some random number, select the range, type equal to rand between bottom value is 33 and top and maximum. I'm taking a T bracket close, then control enter, paste the value, check, then find difference November versus October. Double click on plus icon to drag the formula below. Okay, so I will tell you the three methods for the same thing, how we can hide zero value in our Excel sheet. So I'm going to show you first method. So for first method, click on file, then click on options, advanced, then scroll down, then here you can see display options for this worksheet. You can see show a zero in cell that have zero value. So you need to untick this and then click on OK. I'm taking 0 for some cell, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So you can see now 0 is not showing in our cells, but in formula bar you can see it's showing properly 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the first method. Okay. So go back for a first step and okay. So now I'm going to show you second method. For second method, you need to select your range because it will not work for entire sheet. If you are going for first method, then it will work for entire Excel sheet. But if you are going for second and third method, then it will work only for your selected cell. So please remember this and don't forget. So first select your range where you want to hide your zero value, then press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 is a shortcut key for a format cell. Then you have to go on custom. So here you can see it's showing general by default. So remove this and type here 0 semicolon 0 2 times semicolon, then add the rate, then click on OK. So you can see your second method is also working properly. Here zero value is not showing, but in a formula bar you can see it's showing 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So now I am going to show you third and last method. First, press Ctrl Z. It's a shortcut key for undo for last action. So for a third method, you need to go Home tab, then click on conditional formatting. Then here you have to select equal to, and uh, before this step you need to select your range where you want to hide your zero value. Then follow same step, go on Home tab, click on conditional formatting. Here click on equal to, type 0, and go on drop down, select custom format, then click on font. Then here you have to select on drop down white background, click on white background, then OK. Here third method is not working properly. Let me check. Select your range, conditional formatting, equal to 0, custom format, font, and click on OK. So now it's working properly. So I told you all three methods for hide your zero value in your Excel sheet. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and also please follow me on Instagram also for the same video. And I have already uploaded the some Excel shortcut keys. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see almost all the important Excel shortcut keys which will help you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.